Hello, my name is Nate Law, and today I'll introduce our new series, Tech Tuesday. But first, I want to give you a little background on who we are and what we do here at VarTech. VarTech was founded in 1988 and manufactures highly customizable, made-to-order industrial computers, monitors, and HMI systems. We have 2 locations, our company-owned headquarters right here in Clemens, North Carolina, and our primary sales office in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We offer a range of rugged industrial monitors and computers built to last in the most relentless and harsh environments. VarTech is unique in its ability to engineer products from the enclosure down to the wiring, parts, finish, and peripherals. Our products are crafted in-house for powerful, reliable results, right here in the USA. As for Tech Tuesday, this will be a bi-weekly segment where we talk about industry-related topics, like new computer technologies, what connects to what, touchscreen technology, mounts, and more. We will also include an inside look at our fabrication shop and what we're able to do right here in-house. If you have any topics you would like for us to cover, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified for our future posts. Until next time, this is Nate. Have a great rest of your week.